Hello everyone, this is a continuation of my previous tutorial where we create a function interface and we are going to print something to the console. So basically I create two instances, one is for integer conversion and one is for string conversion. So integer conversion means it will convert from string to integer, string conversion means it will convert integer to string. Right now I'm going to print this one so we can make sure our program is working correctly. Probably we will add some more methods also. Okay, right now it works perfectly. This one is integer, this one is string. How we will make sure whether this is a string or integer? So that's I will do here. So I will use instance of and make sure it's a type of string. Okay, here I will use instance of and I will make sure that it's type of integer. Okay, let's run this application and let's see what is going to happen here. Okay, so both are both given us the true answer. Probably I will make to some false answers here, so I'm just making it as an integer. Okay, in convertible type cannot cast string to Java integer. So yeah, we know that this stuff. So right now itself we are getting error. So it's not a problem, and we are getting the right answer right now. So we made sure how we can implement different methods and different instances based on the function interface. Probably I will create one more method here, one more instance, maybe a double conversion or something. So what I am going to do is I am accepting a integer and I am passing that integer. Okay, so what I need is I need here. Okay, I am passing a string, so it will make sense. Passing a okay, so here double converter. Okay, so right now it makes sense. Okay, so it's an instance of double instance of yeah. Okay, that's it about function interface and Lambda.